the USCE UNEB examination results.
We thank God for the 1,402,434 of our children who completed the 3 levels of our basic and secondary education. I applaud the board and staff of UNEB for this achievement because UNEB has indeed successfully discharged its mandate to the expectations of the nation and on time, despite the large increase in candidature. Entries for sciences and mathematics have also been rising. While I fully recognize the invaluable role of the humanities in shaping social morals and inculcating business and fostering an entrepreneurial spirit, so I continue to encourage them to consider that career path. The rewards are becoming more and more visible, I think. It is now my pleasure to release the results of the Uganda Advanced Certificate of Examination for public use, and I thank you all, and God bless you.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.